terrible.
And he's wearing his red underwear.
Hey! Who's getting on?
What?
Put the baby.
David.
I am not
I'm
getting
good.
on.
Put the baby on him.
Jeff, are you getting on?
Chris, you ride.
Somebody's gotta get on
How about
there.
Clark? Hey, Clark. Hey, Clarky.
Put the baby here. Grab the baby.
That's what we want.
Look at your eye.
Can I get up now?
No,
No.
no.
Look at he's pointing to it.
Quick, put
It's
the.
the other one, though, buddy.
That side. Oh, all the way aside. Yeah, that's okay.
Somebody get on. Jeff, get on Mark, will you? Please? Thank you.
Did he just do that to his eye?
Oh, man.
Could you straddle me?
Do I have to?
Get off!
All right.